Now my voice is audible, guys. Let me know 1 or 2%. And the screen is visible or not, please use the chat box. Pankaj, my voice is audible, right?
Yes, audible.
Screen is visible, right?
Visible, visible.
Yeah. Your question is what? Netflix. Someone. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, audible. Yeah. Actually, in finite note, your question in the previous meeting is why constructor is executing before all the logic. You know why? See, boss, simple things. Without you, there is no event in your life, right? So until unless, so same like. What is that? Mm, first object creation will happen, then all things object related, all things will happen in their life, right? So same like in the Java also, first without object how we can think about that key instantiation event, and after then data insertion, after then destruction event, these are event will generate, right? So don't think like this. Without object how we can think also, we can't think also, right? So same like, just relate your life in relate those things in your life only, right? Without you if you not exist in this earth, right? So in your life, like today you can't learn the Java, right? So same like means constructor means constructor, if constructor is executing means object is creating, right? Means object is creating. So if object is creating means definitely constructor will execute before all the logic or not. Same like oh, same here also happening, right? Now I think I'm able to clear your doubt. Are still doubt is there, let me know that I will try to another way. Use chat box. Use chat box, I'm waiting for you. Clear now. Okay. Okay, fine. So okay now this is the core Java concept. Okay now, because of that I think little bit total here I'm not using anything. Okay, Prashant, thanks. Okay now, so now okay, same like, but if we want to execute what, if we want to execute destroy method, right? So what we will do now, we will go inside that. See, I said that, right? In the application context interface there is no close method. So if we want to use close method, where its implementation class, close method is there, but what in the application context interface there is no close method. Because of that, what, because of that our IOC container able to close, what, able to close means able to unable to destroy this object, right? This object is destroying, internally destroying, but we are unable to seeing this method execution, right? So if we want to see that execution of this method, right? So what we will do now, just we will take what, this AC dot what close method, right? We will use the close method, just using the close method, right? Just run this application and we can able to see that our close destruct means destruction operation also happening. See, first what will happen, email constructor is executed, data injected, right? After data injection what will happen, SMTP server is connected. After SMTP server operation completion, what will happen, SMTP server is closed, right? SMTP server is closed, right? As expected, our things is worked or not, so same like, this is what annotation driven, what spring life cycle. See, in the spring configuration, right, in the XML configuration base I was explained, and at that time I told you na ki I will explain these things again in the future, and those things is need, right? And if, see, whoever not what practice on XML configuration, leave it, but don't leave this one, right? Because this is our future, guys. Okay now, until unless if you people will not do hard work, right, nothing will come in the life, right? So many people completed engineering kind of degree, right? They, some people are doing right marketing job, some people are doing some other job, and they are just getting what 8 and 10,000 rupees. There is no actually, if completing the engineering kind of degree, if the person is earning just 10, 20,000, I think waste of the time, right? They easily wasted the time in the college day, right? So don't worry about that, leave it, happened is happened, right? We can't change those things, but until again, if we are getting the opportunity, take that, right? Take that and build a career in the good way, to living the normal life, right? In my point of view, even what um, I forget his name. He said that, right? If you are born as a poor, that is means that is not problem. If you die the poor, right? That is the problem. What is his name? Microsoft person, Bill Gates. So okay, so now okay, so let's this based on this one, right? We completed what our is annotation driven what is spring life cycle. So now second one is what, let's understand what is scope. We understood what in the previous session, what is scopes, right? Scopes, how many scopes are there in the spring we understood what first one is what means singleton scope. Scope, right? Scope for scope, how many scopes are there? Singleton. Second one is what? Second one is what? Prototype. Third one is what? Request. Second one is what? Session. Fourth one fifth one what? Application. These five type of what, five type of what bean scopes are there, right? So in the previous session we seen how we can perform, right? I said that these three operation I will perform in what, whenever I will explain what is spring MVC, at that time I will explain those things, right? So and these two scopes I shown you people also, right? I shown you people. So let's understand for that, their tags are there, XML tags is there, but here whenever we are performing what scope operation at the bean, right, at the rate, what is that scope annotation is there. In that what we will do now, we will pass just, right? We will pass if we want to. By default our bean is what? By default our bean is what? Prototype. Singleton scope, in the singleton scope only, right? In singleton means in any cast our spring container will create only one object of our bean, right? Our bean. So we will pass it. So in the same application we will not create again the project, we will see that, right? So now by default this bean is what? This bean is what? Singleton only, right? So if we want to see that, right, now what we will do now, at the rate scope, right? At the rate scope, inside that what is that? By default what is that? Here we will see again, here in the annotation also, in the annotation tree also we will see just what these singleton and the prototype behavior of a bean, right? But when I will explain what, when I will explain spring MVC, at that time I will show this scope, because to showing this scope I have need what? Web application, right? So we are just there in the core module, right? So in the core module these two scope only applicable, right? So now okay, so what we will do now, here in that what we will pass it singleton, right? Singleton. If we pass that singleton, by default our scope is singleton only. So let's see that, right? Let's see that and we will see that. So if so now come here, what we will do now, we will just ac dot what? Get bean. Inside that what we will do now, inside that what we will do now, we will come here and we will copy this this method will become what? ID, right? So we will pass it here. After then what we will do now, we will email to avoid typecasting, right? To avoid typecasting, what we will do now, we will load this class now. Email server es. Okay, so now, okay, again e1 es1, just this one is only es1 second. Again one more we will take it, right? One more we will take it. Now e2, this one we will make as what? E2 means this two. But let's compare it, right? Let's, what is that? Sys out, right? es1 equal to, what is that? es2 means if it will return what? True. If return true means same object will create, right? Means only one object will create, only one object will create. And what is that? Es1 and es2. es2, both reference will what? Both reference will point to same object only, right? Both reference will point to what? Same object only, right? Both object will point same object, means if return true. So I will show the what has code also, right? Not dot has code. No, here I will show this one, and again one more sopln I will take, and inside that I will show what? Dot, what is that? Dot has code, right? Means if has code is same both object, means the both object is be having what? Same, right? Both object will be having what? Means both, if both object has code is same, then means both reference is pointing to what? Same object. So let's see that. Okay, yeah, see, true, we get the result what? True. Now why we, for both per now. Okay, yeah, see, we are getting the true result, right? True result and the same has code. See, true, we got the true result, means. And see the both references is pointing to what? Means the highest code is what? 1500648, right? 15151500648, light means this is what means. Our bean is we having what? Singleton only. So if we want to know, I want what? I want separate. If we create what? If we create two references, means two object, right? So we want different copy of, means both objects should be what? Pointing to different object, right? So means like this is our object, one object is there, right? Means we want both object will what? Both object will pointing to what? 1 minute, I will copy it here. No, we don't want. If we take what? Prototype, what will happen, our IOC container will copy this one. Yes, our IOC container will what? Pointing to different object, right? Then if both reference is pointing to different object, what we will get? We will get the false and different what? Has code. So for that, what we will use? That prototype, right? So if here we will use in the argument what? Prototype, right? Prototype. Now run this application. Oh, spelling mistake. prototype. 1 minute, I think the prototype is spelling. What is that?
PRO, Ravi.
Yeah, fine. This one only, right? This one. Okay, now it will work. It will work. Okay. Why? Still we are it's behaving. I think some PROTOTYP. 1 minute. 1 minute. Something goes wrong. One minute. 1 minute. Be patient, right? Something. Singleton prototype. Same, right? But why our object is not created? Still it's showing that true only. No, this is 1 minute, guys. Be patient, okay? One minute, 1 minute. Why it's not working? Request session global. Same only, right? Singleton. Same I am writing, right? But still, why it's not be? Okay. One more time, we will see that, right? Okay, guys. You know what is the problem here? Do here. Copy this one here, not here. My mistake only, right? We will pass here. Sorry for that, right? I am wrong. We will not pass here. We will pass in the here only. So now let's see that. See, my mistake. It's my mistake. Sorry for that, right? Pass. Both object is different or not. But if we want to pass, right? If we want to pass singleton configuration level, I forget that one, right? We can't write directly in the class, bean class. We will write in the configuration level this is scope, right? So singleton, right? Singleton. Okay. So now see that whenever we are writing the singleton, what's happening? Single TONE, right? Why illegal exception? No scope register for what's happening? Oh, singleton spelling mistake. Yeah, okay. Now see that it's pointing to to same object only, same hash code we are getting that, and the same object is right. So if we take as a what prototype, then we will get what different hash code. If we take what is singleton, if we not take by default, what is that by default, what is that singleton only. By default our bean is singleton only, right? If we not take also, see true, we are getting what true, and this is so like that what we will perform what annotation driven what annotation driven our scopes, right? Scopes when I will explain what these three scopes also, these three scopes when I will start what is spring MVC, there I will explain those things, okay now. So now let's start what is the auto wiring, right? What is the first we will understand what wiring, right? After then we will implement that as a project. After then be patient, right? I'm going to give one real time project, and even I will design first, I will design that project using what UML diagram, right? So then clear picture will you people will get, right? So now let's first what is that auto wiring concept, right? So in the initial loose coupling association mapping, right? All those things I explained in the first class, right? In the first class, those things I'm going to explain here again also, right? I'm not going to touch that much depth, right? But I will touch those things, right? So now okay, so what is that auto wiring? Just we will see that what auto wiring, right? So if we want to perform what auto wiring, what is that auto wiring? Okay, auto wiring, in that means if we want single time, how many type of data type, primitive data type and what object data type, like what if we want to inject another object in our what dependent class, if we want to inject our dependency in dependent class, right? That is called what object type, for example we have what employee class, right? We have what employee class, public employee, right? Public employee, if we have what public employee inside that what public class, what employee class, employee, yeah, we have what private what emp private int emp id, right? Private emp id, right? Private what string emp name, right? Now here what is that address, we are taking what address, private address addr, just right, means this is what one class is there, we are injecting what means we are connecting with another class, means we are taking this class name as a what data type. Here here is what this is what data type, right? This is what data type, int data type, we know that, right? Int, char, boolean, all those things is data type only, right? So this is what data type, and this is what variable, means this is called what variable of data type name, variable name, right? This is what variable, this is what variable, right? So same like so if we want to associate one, like same whenever we are writing like one class, I'm writing here public class what address public class address, right? Inside that what is their private int, what is that what kind of int, home number, right? Home number, hno, home number means hno. After then another is what private in string, right? String location, LOC. Just I'm taking what these two data type means. Whenever we are means we what we are doing, that we are using what association means, association from here to in this class, right? In this class means we are performing what has a relation. We are performing what has a relation between these two classes, right? Between what these two classes. Yeah, we are performing what has a relation between these two classes, right? Has a relation, right? Means whenever we are using what, whenever we are using the class name, right? The class name, like this class name as what, this class name as what in another class what, as a data type, means here what it will become, the data type it will become, and this one will become what, variable, right? Variable means data type variable name. Okay, so what we are, so if we want to perform this kind of operation and we are using another class in our own class, that is what, that is what has a relation between two classes, right? Between two classes. Okay, so in our IOC container, right? So how our IOC container, guys, listen, be careful, see how I'm going to represent what auto wiring concept, right? I'm going to present front of you people auto wiring concept. Even this concept I did not touch, means I was not touching what XML configuration. Please listen carefully, these things is front of you first time here. Okay na? I don't know anywhere you people learn all those things or not, but I'm going to present those things because I'm, because of that I'm explaining like this. Okay na? So now, okay, so whenever we are performing the operation, right, how our IOC is Spring container, right? This is, think about that, what our Spring container, this is what Spring container, Spring container, Spring container, right? Spring container, in that Spring container one object will create, right? One object will create. Which object will create, which object will create? Employee object will create, right? Employee, emp obj. Just think about this object, right? Think about this object. Which kind of data will be there? Which kind of data? By default we know that int data is what, int data is what, zero, string is null, and address also null only, right? So now, okay, so what we will do now, again one more object will create, right? One more object will create inside what, IOC container. One more object will create in our IOC container. See, I'm giving the visualization of what container, Spring container, in Spring container how object is creating now. Okay na? So now address object will create. Now here what will happen, address object, address object will create. Inside that how many data is there, data types? So think about that, we have what, HNO number means HNO, HNO, HNO means just my home number is 1110, right? Now what is that, another one is what, location is there, right? Location is there, location is there, location is there means what, just I'm taking what, my location is Mysore, Mysore, right? So this object is there now. So same things, right? Same things. What will happen here? Here, think about that. What is the data is there? Data is there. EMP ID is there, right? So now EMP ID, right? EMP ID equal to, just I'm taking what, employee ID is what, 101, right? Second data is what, a string is there, right? EMP name, EMP name, just I'm taking what, employee name, my name only I'm taking what, RAVI, Ravi I'm taking, right? Again what is that, again what I'm taking, address, ADDR address is there na, ADDR by default value is what, null, right? So null, so null, now null is there, right? So still think about, I'm going to tell what is the wiring, right? What is the wiring and what is the auto wiring, right? So think about that, listen carefully, right? Listen carefully. So now if we inject, right, in, if we inject here this object to here, right? So these data will come here, right? So these data will come here. So means to connecting this object means to connecting from here this object to this object, right? This object. So these things is called what, wiring. To connecting this object is to this one, right? To connecting this object to here only. So these things only called in the Spring concept what, wiring, and in normal core Java we are saying that what has a relation and association. Now clear guys, what is the wiring and what is the wiring? So now, so to inject this data, right, to inject this object, to inject this object to in this object, right? So what is that? We are performing what at the rate. So we are using what at the rate annotation AUT auto WA auto wiring, right? 1 minute. W wiring, right? DWAR annotation. This annotation we will perform. So what is that? This object will inject, our IOC container will inject by default, and this one only called as what wiring. Okay na? So shall we develop this application, and we will see that how our IOC container is what injecting this object or not. Now in based on the diagrammatically, if anybody having the what, okay, based on this diagram, anybody having any doubt, let me know that guys, because these things only I'm going to what see to show what as a practically. Anybody having doubt now, please use the chat box. Suraj clear, right? Pankaj, Prashuna, and what about others? Ha Nasima, ask what is your doubt. Okay, now no doubt na. No, clear na. What is the wiring, auto wiring? So means injecting the object in what our dependent object, right? That is what called auto wiring, and we for that we are performing what auto wired annotation, right? I will show different two more annotation I will explain here, right? So for that I have need to make this application totally loose, right? Totally loose. So don't worry, I'm going to create based on this one, right? I'm going to create one project, right? So be patient and listen. Today has a and easy auto wired we can perform. No, Seema, in easy relation we can't perform auto wired. Just in has a relation we are performing, right? Easy relation we are using what extend keyword, implement keyword directly. Okay. So okay, so let's develop the application, right? So let's develop the application, and we will see that. So okay, what we will do now, we will uh, no, Narsima, auto wiring we can perform only for the object only, right? We can't perform for the primitive type. I because of that I created this diagram, right? What I'm injecting object only I'm injecting. Why? If auto wire we can perform, I can take auto wire from the primitive also, right? But I'm not taking. Why? Because auto wire only applicable for what in a has a relation, and to inject what only object data, only object data. If we want to inject only object data, then we will use what, at the rate auto wire annotation. So okay, so let's create one project and we will see that, right? So we will see that the same things, it's working or not. But auto wiring concept is too much, just I will show, just I started, right? So okay, I'm not going to do any other things, right? What I created application in notation life cycle, right? That application, in that application, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete our last, you people want workspace. Okay, let's create one project only. Maven project new, next. Okay, select quick start, and here what is that? Auto one version is what, 1.0. Now finish it. Okay, come here, come inside that, go on what, copy this one, Okay, paste it. Okay, after pasting that, what is that we have need? What is Spring context? Okay, now fine. Okay, so after then what we will do now, right click on the project, update the Maven project. Okay, so okay, let's start the application development, right? So now right click, what is that? Let's take one package, right? So now com dot what app, com.rk dot what address. Just sorry, not here. com.rk.what, com dot 1 minute, something goes wrong inside that. By default our Maven is created. The no, if I create, then the package will create inside here only. Now right click, new, com.rk.address, address. Now address class, I'm creating the address class. Inside that, what we will do now, we will take what, at the rate public private what, int hno, home number, private string, what is that, second one is what, location, location, right? Now alt shift s plus r, select r, right? Select r, generate setter getter method, select alt shift s plus s, generate to string method. Now this class is ready now. Okay, so second one is what, we created this class, right? We created this class. Now again what we will do now, we will create one more package. This one is what, emp. Now inside that, what, employ, employee, finish it. Now what we will do now, private int what, emp id. Second one is what, private string emp name, right? Now second one, private addr, right, address. Okay, now control shift o, alt shift s plus what, r, select all, right? Finish. Alt shift s plus s, select generate. Now we will write the configuration class also, right? So if we want to write the, we have need what, to write what, configuration class, right? So again one more package. Now right click on that, new class. So com.rk.con fg, right? app config, right? So I already explained, right? I already explained in the previous application. If we want to make this what, our application, to treat our this class, our Java class as what, our Java class as what, configuration class. So what is that, at the rate configuration annotation is there, right? So if we write this annotation, then our IOC container will treat what, configuration. So we know that number of being equal to number of methods, right? So public what, address, what is that, ad equal to, now a address ad equal to what, new address, right? So we will take this class